Just want to get to this legal angle because when Marissa Meyer joined the company in 2012, she implemented this rating system for employee performance, so 1 to 5, and it led to hundreds of terminations. A former manager who was fired due to the ranking system is now suing the company, alleging anti-male discrimination. Trial attorney Whitney Boan is with me now. So, Whitney, based on what you know about this suit, is there an argument to be made?
I definitely think that there is. I think that Yahoo has violated both California and federal laws governing the warnings and notifications that employees are entitled to when mass layoffs are happening. And that's what's happened with Yahoo. That's what's alleged in the lawsuit by Mr. Anderson, is that at the time he was let go, there was about 600 people let go within a month. That triggers WARN, which is the Worker Notification Act under the federal government's legislation, and then also by the state of California. They were required to give 60 days notice. They didn't do it. So now they're going to have to pay these employees, such as Mr. Anderson, $500 a day for every day that they failed to give notification that he was going to be laid off as part of a mass layoff.
Sure. To your point, I mean, when you lay people off or you make the positions redundant, you're supposed to, at least in theory, pay severance. If you fire them for cause, you don't have to pay out anything. So I think that's part of the calculation as well.
Correct.
Okay.
There's also the issue here, though, of the male discrimination, which when they're using these QPRs or this ranking system where they're ranking employees on a scale of 1 to 5, and then they're remixing the company and letting the people who are scoring low on that ranking scale go, they're having these issues arise where, yes, it's going to be completely arbitrary. Personal biases are going to come into it. And so from what I can tell from this claim by Mr. Anderson, he may very well have a claim that there was discrimination against him because he's a man and he was working with all these women and they favored women employees with this ranking system that's completely arbitrary.
All right, Whitney, we will follow this case closely right along with you. Whitney Boan, thank you so much for joining us there. She is a litigator. When we come back.